Hey lovelies, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today, we're making the cutest candy cane cookies. Soft, buttery, and so perfect for Christmas. If you're looking for a fun festive bake you can enjoy with family, this one is definitely for you. So, I started by creaming my margarine and sugar until it turned smooth and fluffy. Then I added vanilla and a little milk. You can add egg in place of the milk. Next, I added my flour and baking powder and then I mixed it into a soft dough. A little gentle reminder, show your girl some love by liking, commenting and subscribing. Thank you. I divided the dough into two. I'll leave one plain and color the other red. And here's where the fun and the struggle began. I had issues with rolling the dough into ropes. I think I tried about 3 methods before I concluded to roll it in between brown paper. I rolled the plain one before I rolled the red one. Then I proceeded to placing them on each other. Here I had to trim the rough edges. Then I cut them into strips. When trying to bend the dough, some were cracking, but I eventually got a hang of it. So if yours give you a little wahala, just chill small, it will come together, I promise. I divided it into two. That one broke. Then rolled, twist, shaped, and put it on my baking pan. Or baking tray, sorry. Once I finally shaped them into candy canes, I placed them on a tray and baked them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or that's 175 degrees C for about 8 to 10 minutes. They came out so cute, so buttery and perfect for snacking or gifting. I had to taste this and it was so sweet. If you enjoyed this Vlogmas bake, don't forget to like, comment and share. Subscribe for more festive treats and let me know in the comments, will you try these candy cane cookies? See you in the next Vlogmas video. Bye.